Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. We are still on Wassce 2022 relative maths. The last question, question 15. So let's see how we go about it. The first part, a stone is thrown vertically upwards from the top of a cliff 58 meters high with a velocity of 25 meters per second. We have to calculate the maximum height attained. Take g to be 10 meters per second squared. The second part, a particle of mass 8 kg moving with a velocity 4 meters per second collides with another particle of mass 4 kg moving with a velocity 114 meters per second in the opposite direction. If they move together after collision, we have to find the magnitude and direction of the common velocity. Let's start with the first part. So the first part, assuming that this is the cliff, which is 58 meters, and then a stone is thrown, someone is on top of the cliff, then he throws a stone upward, vertically upwards. So we have to find the maximum height attained. So what it means is that we need to find this distance and then add it to the height of the cliff to get the maximum height. And we can do that by using the equation of motion. V squared is equal to u squared plus 2gx, because it's a acceleration due to gravity. So now from the question, the initial velocity is 25 meters per second. Then g, because it is vertically upwards, g is minus 10, and then v, we don't know the final velocity, so we can use this. Substituting the values, we have 0 squared is equal to 25 squared plus 2 times minus 10 times s, which is the distance. So you have 0 is equal to 625 minus 20s, which implies that 20x equal to 625. 5 both side by 20. We have the distance s to be, divide this one, we get 31.25 meters. Maximum height is the height of the cliff. Height of cliff plus this 31.25. We have 58 plus 31.25, and which is giving us 89.5. Let's go to parts. So the second part, we have two particles. Particle 1, then particle 2. So let the mass of the first particle be m1, and from the question is 8 kg. Then its velocity is 54 meters per second. Then the mass of the second particle be m2, which is 4 kg, and then its velocity u2 is 114 meters per second. So using the law of conservation of linear momentum, momentum before collision equal to momentum after collision. So m1, this time because the particles were in opposite direction, this will be minus m2 u2, and they will be moving with a common velocity. So you have m1 plus m2, where v is a common velocity. We just substitute the values, so which implies that 8 times 54 minus 4 times 114 is equal to 8 plus 4 times the common velocity. So 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 4 is 32, minus 4 times 1 is 4, and this is 56. 8 plus 4 is 12v. Let's subtract these vectors. So we have minus 36. 40 minus 4 is 36. 32 minus 56, rather minus 24. This is equal to 12v. We want to find the common velocity. So we divide both sides by 12. V is equal to 1 over 12 times 36 minus 24. So when you simplify, 1 over 12 times 36 is 3. The 1 over 12 times minus 24 is minus 2 meters per second. We have to find the magnitude. So magnitude of the common velocity is square root of x component plus square root of y component. And this is giving us 3 squared is 9, 2 squared minus 2 squared is 4. So we have 13, or if you want to change it to decimal, 3.6 meters per. So the common velocity is 3 minus 2. We want to find the direction. Draw across 3 units on the x-axis, then units on negative part of x. Y, this is 3, this is 2. So So let's find the acute angle it makes with the x-axis, and this is facing this side, that's opposite, and then this is adjacent and opposite. We are going to use tan theta, which is equal to 2 on 3. So theta will be tan inverse of 2 on 3. This is giving us 33.69 degrees. Now we want to find the direction. This is just the angle it makes with the x-axis. So the direction will be taken from the north pole, so from this, and up to this point is 90 degrees. Therefore, the direction, that's 90 plus this acute angle, 90 plus 33.69. And 90 plus 33 is giving us 123. Thank you very much, viewers, for staying with us in this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button for more of the